To all the teachers, this is a mathematical greeting from Ladybug Lectures using Klein's for group. Let us see how. You consider the set G with elements T, S, K, U. Education unifies them where T stands for teacher, S for student, K for knowledge, U for society, and U is the identity element. Then G becomes the Klein's for group under the operation interaction. We shall denote that as star. Now, the Kelly table for the above group G is as given below. We'll have the interpretation for the entries of the scalar table. This is that scalar table. Here, when you consider T star S, when you consider T star S, it is K. How we can interpret that? Teacher with student creates knowledge. And when you have S star K, it is T. So a student with knowledge becomes teacher. It doesn't mean that he needs to be in teaching profession, but once he has knowledge, he can explain things well as a teacher. Next is K with T. K with T is yes. So knowledge paired with teacher, it definitely shapes a student. Now T star T is you. You already we said that it is the society. So the self reflection of a teacher definitely enriches society. And S star S is you. When a student practices his or her own learning, it uplifts society. K star K is you. So deepened knowledge. Okay, it strengthens society. Without one, the product is none. So, once again, happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers from Ladybug Lectures. Thank you.